Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end a volatile day. The S&P 500 closed down just over 2%, snapping a three-day winning streak. The Dow down nearly 2%, dropping over 600 points. The NASDAQ 100 down 2.4%. And the Russell 2000, the worst performing U.S. index, down 2.7%. All 11 S&P 500 sectors closed lower, with energy, consumer discretionary, and tech the worst performers. The drop in energy came as crude oil fell below $86 after trading close to $94 to begin the week. But energy remains the only positive sector in 2022, up about 60% this year. So let's take a look at the best and worst performing stocks in today's trading. Akamai Technologies, Meta Platforms, D.R. Horton, Kroger, and General Mills among the few winners on the day. And looking at the worst performers, Walt Disney, Occidental Petroleum, Norwegian Cruise Line, Bath & Body Works, and Tesla. And Tesla hit a new 52-week low and has now lost half its value this year. Now let's go more in depth on the biggest movers. Disney shares closed 13% lower Wednesday. Analysts cut price targets for the stock after reporting worse than expected EPS and sales. Fiscal fourth quarter reports were also below analyst estimates, but the company did see growth in a Disney Plus subscription base and a huge boost in visitors to theme parks. Norwegian Cruise Line sheds close to 9% in the session, despite topping revenue estimates. But the company did report a third quarter loss, and just like its peers, loaded up on debt during the pandemic, which will be closely watched as many believe we're headed for another downturn. And last up, Facebook parent Meta closed about 5% higher. The company announced mass layoffs. CEO Mark Zuckerberg says Meta's cutting staff by 13%. That amounts to more than 11,000 people. He's bracing for a macroeconomic downturn, increased competition, and lower ad revenue. And markets interpreted this as a good thing that Meta is cutting costs immediately. Meta's also cutting discretionary spending and extending a hiring freeze through Q1. Now let's take a look at what to watch for tomorrow. The October Consumer Price Index will be in focus. Estimates are for a rise of 0.6% month over month and 8% from last year. In the core, estimates are for a 0.5% rise and up 6.5% year over year. On the earnings front, keep an eye out for Astrazeneca, Aurora Cannabis, Nio, Ralph Lauren, and Tapestry. And one final thing to keep on your radar, Bitcoin. The crypto asset has seen a volatile week already, as the crypto exchange FTX has seen a liquidity crunch, and the proposed takeover by Binance appears to have fallen apart as of Wednesday afternoon. Bitcoin traded below 16,000 today and is near a two-year low. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.